Hey guys, my name is Lembit and today I have a quick tutorial on how to make intersections in Civil 3D without using the intersection tool. So as you can see, I have this T-shaped intersection already made to save you some time. So hopefully in a few minutes you will be able to make something like this as well. So let's get started. Let me walk you through on how I made it. So in this simple exercise right here, I have this corridor, which is road number 1, as you can see. And then we have road number 2, which is being connected to road number 1. And we have a corridor for the intersection itself. Let me show what sub-assemblies that I'm using. I'm using my custom ones. You can use your own ones. You can use the default ones. Doesn't really matter. Just hopefully you get the idea how to make the intersections. So the road number 1 has the carriageway with shoulder, as you can see in these two regions. And in the region where we have the intersection, right, I have a assembly that has no shoulder in it. So basically just the edge of travel way. And on this road number 2, we have just a simple carriageway with shoulders, nothing special, and yeah, that's about it. And we are trying to connect this road number 2 with road number 1, right? And for this I made the intersection corridor using the sub-assembly, which is made for specifically for the intersections. The main point of this sub-assembly is that the insertion point of this sub-assembly is the edge of travel way. So this is the main criteria for this assembly. So by that I mean that this corridor right here for intersection is made out of 2 baselines. And by that I mean that, as you can see, we have a left baseline, which is the edge of travel way, and the right one, which is as well edge of travel way. And for each one of these baselines, I have made the profiles as well, as you can see, left and right. The main point of these profiles is to connect this surface from road number 1 with the surface from road number 2. And as you can see right here, we have a profile, right, surface, pave number 1 from road number 1, and it's being connected with road number 2 with pave number 1, right? And just quickly let me show you that. As you can see, we have this connection, right? And this same connection is happening on the right side as well. As you can see, left, pave number 1 from road number 2, and pave number 1 from road number 1. And these guys are being connected with this new profile. Yeah, simple as that, I guess. And in this intersection corridor, as we mentioned before, we have 2 baselines, and we are using the intersection sub-assembly. So this sub-assembly should get some values, elevation values from the alignment from road number 2, and as well as from edge of travel way from road number 1. So as you can see in my targets, there's a lane elevation target and lane width target. Yeah, 2 targets. As mentioned before, this alignment right here, it has the offset target from this left side, as well as this left side gets its elevation target from this profile, road number 2. Let me show you the road number 2. It's a profile for this road number 2, and as you can see, it's connected to the pavement of road number 1 as well. And from the edge of travel way, usually, you can use anything that you like, just a feature line, or you can make a profile, doesn't really matter. But I like to use the auto corridor feature line. So I simply made auto corridor feature line from road number 1, and I extracted the edge of travelway feature line. So as you can see, road number 1, right? It has a common point, edge of travelway, and I just extracted it out of the corridor. So it's dynamic, it's auto, it's always updating, so it's nice to have. And the main point is that with this intersection subassembly, this crown should be connected with the edge of travelway. And yeah, that's about it. That's simple intersection. So when you have this target set, right, on the left side, on the right side, right, as mentioned before, middle, edge of travelway, and you will just get the intersection itself. Simple as that. And just a quick tip as well, that sometimes the frequency, for example, just let me show you that. I will remove these things. These things that are not automatic. I just added them before. But sometimes the feature line, as you can see, makes this small gap before joining the edge of travelway, right? So you can just simply edit frequency. Just click on the corridor, on the plus sign, and shift right click and find the intersection, right? Click enter, click OK, and it should nicely connect to the in this corner, right? And simply like that, you have made your intersection. Hope that helped, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.